don't know, man. I'm munching on these, and I don't think I should be because they're kind of gross, but I'm still eating them. I'm not sure. I mean, they almost taste like Funyuns, but they don't. They're mad spicy. Kind of good, but almost too spicy to the point where you can't taste any Funyun flavor anymore. It's like, you know what it tastes like? It tastes like putting top ramen powder, like putting ramen powder, spicy ramen powder on top of Funyuns. Like, it doesn't burn. It doesn't burn, but it's hot. It's hot, man, and it's not necessarily flavorful. Now, if they would have gone with a half and half bag, like regular Funyuns, and these spicy queso, or yeah, spicy queso with the regular Funyuns, it'll balance it out. But I think these are a little bit too spicy for what they're trying to achieve. They're trying to, I'm guessing they're trying to achieve the Funyun flavor with some spice to it and queso, but I don't even taste the queso, to be honest. It's just so much spice that I can't taste the Funyun taste, and it's just all queso. I don't know, man. I mean, can't stop eating them because I'm a snack guy. I like to snack, and this is all I have in the house right now, and I don't feel like leaving to get more snacks. But I'm thinking, matter of fact, I know what I'm going to do. Hold on. Ranch. Got some ranch left over from McDonald's. So I'm going to go ahead and try these with some ranch, man. Let's see. Because it's missing something, you know? Yo. Yo. Game changer. Absolute game changer. Hey, I promise you guys, even though the bag was already open because I was snacking on them, that's the reason why I did this video. I was snacking on them. I'm like, yo, let me share this with my peoples, you know, let them know what I think of it. And I had some last night. Like, look, the bag is nearly full. Like, this is a good amount left in there. So I was snacking on them last night, but they just weren't hitting like I was expecting them to hit, you know? Like, they're good. They're not great. They could be better. Regular Funyuns by themselves are great. Light shining off my dome chrome. I hope it's not distracting you guys, but this is just a quick on-the-fly video like most of my videos are. But like I said, they were missing something, and it just dawned on me to try this with ranch. I promise I didn't try this beforehand to make this video likable or sellable or relatable. No, I'm trying this on the fly, and it's actually pretty good. Hold on, Penny. Hold on. Yeah, she's hungry. She's not getting none of these. No, stop it. Yeah, man. Ranch. Okay. Quick video. Quick taste test. Quick review. By themselves, they're okay. I would recommend, or I would prefer if there was like a half and half bag, regular Funyuns mixed in with the spicy. That way the spice wouldn't overtake the Funyun flavor. I don't taste that much queso, but adding ranch, complete game changer. Matter of fact, I'm going to make that my cover photo. Ranch with the queso. Yeah, that'd be my cover photo. Hey, thanks for watching as always. I know I'm not here as much as I should be, but you guys are still here. I appreciate you guys. Yeah, I can still cook, still get my snack on and all that. So I'm about to kill this bag right here, and I'll see you guys in the next video.